Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can code using DeepSeek. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. First of all, open deepseek.com on any of the browsers you have on your PC and you can see this interface. Go ahead and tap on Start Now, log into your account, and you can start giving commands to DeepSeek about the things you want to learn in coding. So let's suppose I want to write a JavaScript on how I can create a marketing page or online business page. I'll just go ahead and give the command to it that you can write me a HTML or JavaScript creating a simple online business page. So I'll just go ahead and write this down, hit enter, and as soon as I tap enter, you can now see that it is now helping me with learning coding. So you can just go ahead and scroll down, wait for a while, and you can go ahead and read about this. You can see why these are used, you can ask it questions, and you can easily start learning coding from DeepSeek. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.